Alright, what I want you guys to do, okay, is in, right, Module 4 folder, okay, for yesterday and today's folder, now there is an impact of the war bell work assignment, okay. If you read the instructions, okay, you're going to use your Module 4 textbook to answer questions 1 through 4 using pages 142 to 144. But if you notice, there's 5 questions. That's because on the 5th question, okay, it says use the attached link here, and you'll see the here is highlighted blue. This is going to be a hyperlink, okay, and you're going to use that link. It's going to open up to a different link, okay, and you're going to use that provide a link to answer question 5. Okay, so this assignment, this bell work, is talking about the impact of the war. Okay, so we're at the end of the war here. Now we're seeing the impact or the effects of that war. Right, so if you go to your Module 4 textbook PDF, let me pull it up. Okay, you should be in lesson 5, so 142 to 144. Okay, we're talking about the impact of the war, right? So the war's done. Okay, spoiler alert, if you didn't know by now, the United States, the Americans won. Okay, and so we're gonna see kind of what impacts the war had. Does the term impact of the war sound familiar to any of you? Maybe to an organizer? Yeah, on your organizer, right? Okay, you have the page, Impact of the American Revolution. Ooh, maybe doing well on this might help you on that page. Yes. Okay, what officially ended the war? If you notice, there's a question. Okay, we're not answering it right now, but thank you, Javier. Okay, what did it include? Okay, it might also help you. And then list at least 3 impacts the American Revolution had. Again, one of the questions might help you on that. Okay, so definitely use this to help you on your organizer, okay, because your organizer needs to be finished by today. Like, you are submitting this today, so you need to have, what is it, all 9 key terms done. Those should have been done like 2 weeks ago. Okay, I believe there are 19 people, all 19 people, all 12 battles, that impact of the American Revolution. Again, this bell work today is going to help you with that page. It should help you. And then the timeline. Remember the timeline? You're just dragging the text boxes to go like in chronological order. So go right at the top, the first little circle should be what happened first. The last circle should be what happened last. Okay, so in chronological order to complete the organizer, and then you are submitting this as a PDF to the assignment in the October 26th, 27th folder on Schoology, right? That American Revolution organizer submission. Okay, again, this is a 50-point, this organizer is a 50-point assignment. Okay, it is going into your first 9-week grade. So that's your last little big grade for this first 9 weeks. And I know several of us have done really well on it. Some of us are a little behind. As in, I just opened up someone's organizer yesterday, and I have no clue how that happened, because literally this is our 3rd week on it. Okay, so let's get started. Bell work, then finishing the organizer. I do have, and I'll put in the folder as well, I do have a one last Hamilton song for the Revolution. We will listen to other Hamilton songs later on, but I do have one last song for the actual war and talking about it. So let's get working though on the organizer, And then if you have any or the bell work and then the organizer. If you have any